Sparklines. This function allows you to create one cell charts. This is only available in version 2010. For example, if we want to show the trend in cell F6 with regards to sales, we could highlight them and then go to the Insert tab. Sparklines shows you the data range, and the location is going to be that cell. And OK. Then we can actually copy that down, and in a nutshell you've got a trend. When you click back on it, you'll see again that you have the other designs where you can put a few other things, maybe change to a column, but I find that the line Sparkline works the best. Really good for seeing trends.